Really quickly, before we get into the tutorial, I just wanted to mention that I am having a holiday makeup and beauty giveaway going on my channel right now. So if you want to enter, please make sure to check out the description box down below. Everything you need to know will be right there, including the link to enter the giveaway. Or stay tuned till the end of the video where I will go more in depth on the giveaway and how to enter. For primer, I'm going in with the Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm as my primer, like always. This just helps keep my makeup very long lasting. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 120. I'm just dotting that all over my face, and then I'll be blending it out using my Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm applying that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the center of my chin, the center of my forehead, and on my eyelids to prime my eyelids. And then I'll just be blending that out using my Beauty Blender. To set my face, I'm using the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder and a fluffy powder brush. To start off this eye look, I'm going in with the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm taking the shade You're Kidding on a Morphe M513 brush. This shade is no joke. You're Kidding is seriously the most pigmented red I have ever worked with. It's something that I've totally been needing in my collection of eyeshadows. I've always been wanting a true red color, and James Charles brought that. So basically, I am just working the shade in my crease, and I'm taking a little bit of product at a time because I didn't want to go in with a pink for a transition shade or a brown or anything, because I didn't want the colors to mix, and I didn't want the look to pull too much to the pink side or too much to the brown side. I really wanted it to stay true and red. So I'm just doing a lot of blending with this look. I'm working a little bit of color at a time and blending it out, and then more towards the lid, I am intensifying the color to make it brighter and more intense. I'm using the Morphe M504 brush to help soften up the edges of the eyeshadow and again blend that color out and diffuse it so it has that nice ombre effect, even though we're only using one shade. I'm taking the slightest bit of Pinkity Drinkity on a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm just using that to help blend out the edge of the eyeshadow and help diffuse the colors in the crease, just to soften everything up and help give that ombre effect. But just a little bit of Pinkity Drinkity, because we don't want to pull too much to the pink side of red, like I said. Then I'm using my Morphe M504 brush again just to help blend everything out and diffuse it. I'm taking You're Kidding on the Morphe M518 brush, and I'm just starting to intensify that red closer to my eyelid. Now that the crease is very blended out and soft and diffused, I want to focus on building up that red color closer towards my eyelid and the socket of my crease so that the red there is very bright. Once I'm happy with the intensity of the red and how blended the crease is, I'm going to take my concealer on a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to start a half cut crease. I just apply that concealer to the center of my eyelid, and I look up to see where the concealer on my eyelid meets in my crease, and then I just start carving out my crease from the line that I created when I looked up. And I do this very slowly. Take your time. Don't rush, because you don't want to mess this step up. You want the look to be very nice and neat and precise. The concealer has started to mix with the red eyeshadow and make a bit of a pinky base, so I'm taking the makeup remover on a Q-tip and I'm just kind of wiping away that concealer that's on my eyelid, and then I'm going to go in with fresh concealer and just basically go over the area that I just carved out my half cut crease again, so we can have a more white base. I'm taking the shade Flashback on a flat brush and I'm just going to apply that white shade right over the concealer that we applied on our eyelid, and I'm just packing it on until it's nice and bright and white and intense. I'm taking the shade You're Kidding on a Morphe E17 and a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just starting to blend that shade a little bit towards the half cut crease into the white, just so everything's nice and blended and that we don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just drawing a line where we did our half cut crease. And then I'm going to go over that line with the Bulk Glitters glitter, and it's a silver shade, and I'm just taking a little precise brush and I'm just going to add that glitter right on top of the Midnight Cowboy liner. The Midnight Cowboy liner works as a great base for this glitter, and it sticks and everything's fine and it works really well. I double stacked the Salon Perfect lashes in the style 614 so I could get a more dramatic lash, and now I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line with the shade You're Kidding. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Rosewood on my little Benefit Hula brush, and I'm contouring / bronzing up my cheekbones and my jawline. I'm applying that same bronzer to my forehead using a Luxie 522 brush. And now I'm taking a Morphe M437 brush and I'm just going to make sure that all that bronzer is blended out and that we have no harsh lines. I'm baking the areas that I contoured with my Beauty Blender and translucent powder, and I do want to mention that I did contour my nose off camera. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Rose Quartz on a Morphe M510 brush. And I chose this highlighter because you can't tell on camera, but it does have a bit of a pink shift to it, and I thought it would really complement the red on the eyes and give it a more peppermint vibe to the makeup look. And I'm also applying that highlighter to the tip of my nose using a Morphe E36 brush. I'm going back into the James Charles Morphe palette and I'm taking the shade Ring Light on a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight, and I'm just dragging it from the inner corner of my eyelid to the inner corner of my eye. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amour on a Sonia Kashuk No. 113 brush, and this blush also has a bit of a pinkish tint, which I thought helped match the eye look a little bit, and I don't know, I just thought it would look good. I'm wiping away my bake using my Morphe M437 brush, and I'm also running that brush along the rest of my face just to blend all the products together so nothing looks too harsh. I'm going to set my face using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. For lips, I'm going in with the Morphe Lip Liner in the shade Sweet Tea. This is my new favorite shade for lip liner. I'm so in love with this shade. For lipstick, I'm using the Sephora Liquid Lip Cream in the shade 33. This is one of my favorite nude liquid lipsticks. And to top off the lips, I'm using the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Tease, which I love this lip combo and I think it pairs so perfect with the eye look. This is the final makeup tutorial. I really love these candy cane eyes and this glossy nude lip. I think that the eyes pair with the lip very well, and when I look at this makeup look, I think of candy canes and wintertime and Christmas and the holiday season. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was my first time really playing with a red eyeshadow because honestly I've never really had access to one before the James Charles palette, and it was really good. I absolutely love the way this makeup look turned out, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Really quickly, I do want to talk about my giveaway. I am having a holiday makeup and beauty giveaway going on my channel right now. It's very simple. All you have to do to enter is go down to my description box, and the first thing that will be in the description box will be all the rules on how to enter and the link to enter. All you have to do is click that link, enter your name and your email, and it will verify that you are subscribed to my channel, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And then go ahead and give this video a like and leave a comment on this video telling me what kind of makeup tutorials you want to see or makeup looks or what kind of videos you want to see on my channel. And then you have two options for a bonus entry if you follow me on Instagram and if you follow me on Twitter, but those are optional. You don't have to do that. So make sure you enter my giveaway if you want a chance to win all this makeup right here. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye!